the ability to make insights available in a very, very intuitive manner, so that you don't have to feel that it's a big effort in trying to access that information. So imagine just a simple example, the amount of drudgery involved in you taking out your laptop and turning it on, and you taking out your mobile phone, right? So, I stopped watching Netflix on my laptop simply because it took some 5 seconds, and I watch it only on the phone. So then you have to make these insights available in the places that people will look or will feel that there is no effort involved in looking. So that's essentially one of the ways to make impact, is to make it available in a pervasive manner. So this is our view of what AI in analytics is, and we're essentially saying there are some things that AI can do very well, and which I talked about. One is monitoring, the other is it can recommend. The third is what we're calling as optimization, which is especially data-heavy algorithms have immense power to optimize resources for you. And why this is the case is because it has the ability to go back in history, crunch a lot of data that you are not able to think through simultaneously to give you an optimized outcome that automatically you will not be able to come up on by yourself. Finally, like I said, immersive experiences are the way to make sure that you are able to consume those insights. I talked about this right when I started, which is if AI has to be of any use for business, it has to be all of these 4 things. Now the problem is there is almost a conflict between speed and engaging, right? So one of the problems with the chatbot is it's not able to have a conversation. It's almost like a multiple choice question, or it's giving you only canned out. So one of the things where analytics is playing a huge role is to see if you can enable automated interfaces to have intelligent conversation, and that's easier said than done. And I think some of the IVR sessions that you have with, for example, if you call Merrill Lynch in the US, I think they have a fairly interactive IVR that almost feels like it's having a conversation with you. So the idea is to say, can I hold my customer's interest in an engaging manner, but make it automated and make it as fast so that I show up when he needs me. So this